Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Central Maine Outdoorsman. I'm Andy, and this is our sawmill. This is a Frontier OS-27. It can cut logs up to 18 feet long, 22 inches in diameter. It's been good to us. We had it for a year and a half now. I think we had to replace a belt, and that's basically it. We have a few logs back here we want to cut up. We might be able to get to that in this video. We'll see. But our main objective is to get that white pine log that we had from the last video. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's a 14-foot white pine. We brought it over on the log arch, and we're going to cut that up into boards. One end is 22 inches, and the other end's about 25 inches. So it's a decent sized log. You'll be seeing that video shortly. Ready to go. A little nervous with the log being too wide. Worst case, I can trim it with the chainsaw. Amazing how nice this stuff looks once you cut it. And it's heavy as hell. Ugh. Look at that. It's sweet. Look how awesome this piece of wood is. It's amazing. When you cut your own wood, how much you appreciate it, rather than going out to the store and buying it. So that's the finished pile from that white pine that we hauled over on the log arch. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 2x10s by 14s and a 2x4. Also I got, I think 6 or so 1x10s near the sawmill that I still gotta trim up and take off the bark edge. See what I can get out of those. But basically you get an idea what you get out of a log. We get a little bit of scrap, but not too much. I think we did pretty good. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button. Me and Coda would appreciate it. We have a lot more videos coming. Stay tuned. Thank you.